everybody, it's your girl Allie, and guess what? I am in Michael's right now. We are still under quarantine. This is still the coronavirus pandemic underway, as you all know. But I wanted to speak to you just briefly. I came in here with Amber. She's actually recording for me because I wanted to put this on video. We came in here today. We're looking at these Cricut Explore Air 2 art devices that are really used for cutting different types of, in her case, stickers, or if you want to cut out artwork or designs that you want a precise cut. She's actually looking for the yellow one, she told me. She's looking for this one. So we're gonna see what ends up happening. She saw it on online on Amazon, and I think she's seen the yellow one on the Michael's website, but they don't have it here in the store. But anyway, so we're on a search for this item. Just thought I'd bring you here into Michael's. And again, this is Allie. I'm not supposed to have this pulled down. They did a great job in this store with the whole social distancing thing. Shout out to the team at Michael's. They're making sure that they stop you at the door. They're only letting 10 people in the building. So there's really not a lot of interaction with other people when you come in. So anyway, these are the items that we have here. She's looking for the one in the yellow. So we'll see whether we can find one of those. Anyway, thank you. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for coming, or thank you for viewing. So you can see in here they've done a fabulous job of allowing social distancing to come to life by putting down these really little tags to ensure that everybody is protected. Again, this is Allie, and you are watching Allie's View. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. It's your girl Allie. I'm recording for you from Michael's, and we are in this pandemic together, but we're gonna get through this. Thank you for watching. Michael's, be sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And thank you for watching. It's your girl Allie, and I am so excited to bring you this new item that Amber just picked up. She was fortunate enough to be able to get the Cricut Explore Air 2. You saw us when we were in Michael's today looking for the item. We got really, really lucky, and guess what? Amber found the color yellow that she was looking for. So I have asked her to give you all a demonstration here on Allie's View. She's also got her own channel. You can follow her at Bamberbella. You can also follow her on Etsy. You can get in touch with her at bamberbellaart@gmail.com. And I will have all this information in the description. So if you're interested in having Amber draw a picture of you, make some stickers for you, do some artwork for you, you certainly can. This is Allie's View, and in here, I share my views on whatever it is that I'm up to, whether it's having a bite, whether it's sharing some type of an item, telling you something that may help benefit you from a physical health standpoint. Just a lot of different things you find out here on Allie's View. In this case, we're talking about the Cricut Explore Air 2. It's a really neat item that can be used for those of you that may be interested in art. You may want to design items and have them cut out to go on t-shirts. This little device can be used for all of that. So if you haven't ever heard about it, it's the Cricut Explore Air 2. Amber is the one that is the driving force behind it. She found the color yellow that she wanted, and I wanted to bring it to you. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, share your comments, and I can't wait to show you what Amber's got for you. Alrighty daddy, everybody. Without any further ado, this is the item that I've been bragging to you about. It is the Cricut Explore Air 2. It's Amber's neat new item that she is going to be using to continue to help springboard her career in art. For those of you that don't know, those of you that may be new to the channel, Amber is my niece, and she's an up-and-coming artist. You can reach Amber if you'd like to contact her directly about some of her work. You can reach her directly at her Gmail, which is bamberbellaart@gmail.com, or you can follow her on Instagram and all forms of social media at Bamberbella. She's also on Etsy if you would like to make a purchase, and that's Bella, Bamberbella. And I'll also have that listed in the description. So if you'd like to check out some of Amber's work, I'll also have in the description this particular item on Amazon if you're interested in making a purchase, the Cricut Explore Air 2. Amber shared with me that with this item, you get a couple of items come along with it. You get this little pen here, kind of like a, almost like a marker. This comes with it. So you get a marker. You also get, right here, you get this cutting mat that you see. This is a sticker that Amber has created. She's called Galaxy Girl. You can also make a purchase if you're interested in getting a sticker. You can make a purchase on Etsy from Bamberbella. The other item that comes along with it is kind of like a test cardstock Amber was telling me about. This is an example of how this Cricut Explore Air 2 can cut with precision. So this item is one that Amber created, and our Cricut Explore Air 2 just cut this. So when she showed me this, I about fell out my chair. And right then and there, I said, Amber, we have got to do a video and show this to everybody because there may be people that are interested in it. So she's going to do a demo here and show you. Now you get 3 different colors of this cardstock. You get it in blue, you get it in black, and you get it in white. But you can see this is one of the items that Amber has created. Another example of Bamberbella at work. So without any further ado, again, this is Galaxy Girl, and she's in the form of a sticker. Amber can do any kind of art that you want. So go ahead, Amber. Wow, look at that. There is Galaxy Girl, ready to be made into a sticker. Wow. Simply amazing. So now, these are a few other items, by the way. I didn't get to speak about them earlier, but you can see how Amber is using this tool. This is another item that she picked up today. She bought it when we were in Michael's. I'll also put a link in the description if you're interested in getting one of those. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick it up on Amazon. They'll deliver it right to your home. for that item. Look at this. Now keep in mind, this came with it. This light grip Cricut mat. Cutting mat, that is, came right along with it. So look at the Galaxy Girl sticker. Wow. Very simple. Look at that. Now these are stickers. A lot of people are into stickers. You can see the back of Amber's laptop here. She has a sticker on it. Now she's making her own stickers. Very, very, very impressive. So you can pick this item up and use it to remove your stickers or other items that you may have on your mat, on your cutting mat. Also, the other item that Amber picked up, they came together. This can be used if you need help. It's kind of scraping it, but this is also a Cricut item. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. So you can see she has made almost, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 Galaxy Girl stickers. And here is your cutting mat. Wow. And see, this is the back, kind of showing you what the back of the sticker looks like. And it's not hard to peel this off either. But this is Galaxy Girl. And this is a drawing that Amber did. It started out as a vision in Amber's mind, and it has become her reality. So, if you like what you just saw, and you have learned a lot about how you too could potentially own a Cricut Explore Air 2, I love it! And the color I think that Amber got is just really, really neat. So if you're interested in getting one of these neat Galaxy Girl stickers, or if you'd like for Amber to draw a sticker for you, she is an artist and she's very, very good, I think, at what she does. You can reach her once again at bamberbellaart@gmail.com, or you can shop Bamberbella on Etsy, and you can follow her on Instagram at Bamberbella. And so I'll also have that information in the description below. So again, this is Galaxy Girl, and you are tuned in to none other than your girl, Allie. And this is another video, almost a wrap. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so. Click the subscribe button. Tell everybody you know about this channel. And as always, I am glad that you stopped by. Have a great day.